Check out this insane wallet. If you're in the look for stacking serious cash, stick around because I'm breaking down exactly how to make it happen. I spent months glued to my screen trading meme coins non-stop, but I got tired of gambling on sketchy projects like this one. Then I discovered this method. Now I can turn $100 into $500, sometimes even $1,000 in just seconds. The key is that you can repeat this method as much as you want. That's how I've been printing money so fast. Here's the truth no one tells you. The real money isn't in trading meme coins, it's in launching them. The big players figured this out long ago. Now we need to get in. Sure, you could go the Pump.Fun route like everyone else, but scroll through this list. You'll see hundreds of new tokens every hour. Way too saturated. Luckily, there's a smarter play. Listen up. Radium is our secret weapon. While everyone's fighting for attention on Pump.Fun, we can launch our coins where the real players operate. The technical barrier keeps the trash out, which means bigger projects and fatter profits. I know what you're thinking. How could I use this without coding? I'll reveal how to bypass that requirement entirely, launch your token like a pro, and attract deep-pocketed investors. I've been crushing it with this method, and today I'll prove it by doing a live launch from scratch with a brand new wallet. I struck gold with launchtool.io. Finally, a way to launch on Radium without coding headaches. The process? Stupid simple. Just answer a few prompts and you're done. After extensive testing, I can vouch for its reliability, but that's enough hype. Time to roll up our sleeves and mint our coin right this minute. Let's start with the face of your coin, the logo. You need something that's trending harder than Bitcoin in 2017. My formula? Memes, celebrity hype, or gaming nostalgia. Whatever's crushing it online. This time, I'm rolling with this Chinese Homer image, my personal lucky charm. Just size it right at 128 pixels square, download, and you're locked in for step 2. Next up, jump back into Launchtool and sync your wallet. You'll see an authorization request. Just confirm it and you're good to go. Now we're filling in the token info. I'm going with Chinese Homer Simpson, Chomer for short, because it's instantly recognizable. My description will say, the legendary Chinese Homer meme finally gets its own crypto. Don't skip adding our logo before continuing. With that done, click next and keep going. The token economics are already perfectly pre-configured. Hands off these settings. We'll need that full 1 billion supply down the road, so simply advance to the next step. This optional section asks for creator info and a project website, but it'll cost you 0.1 Solana. Not worth it in my book. Toggle that option off and keep your Solana. Just skip this and move forward. You'll see social media options here. You could enter them if they're set up. But listen, truth is, with a Radium direct launch, you don't need the hype machine. I've skipped this 100% of the time with perfect results. Smash that skip button and carry on. These toggles are make or break. Keep every single one enabled. Turning them off is a death sentence for your token. Keep this in mind. Turning revoke freeze off means you can freeze all trading. Turning revoke mint off means unlimited minting power. And turning revoke update off means ability to alter the contract anytime. These are instant red flags that savvy investors spot immediately. They'll run from your project if any are disabled. Just keep everything on and hit launch my token now. In just a moment, your wallet will surface with a typical approval request. Confirm the transaction with one click and voila, your token is officially launched. Now you can explore all its on-chain data, including SolScan verification. As you can see on SolScan, your creation is now live on Solana. However, we're not quite ready for launch. One final setup remains before trading can commence and earnings can start accumulating. Now we need to build the liquidity pool. No pool means no trading action. Click Create Liquidity Pool and we'll configure everything correctly. Start by linking your wallet via the connection button up top. Next up, establishing our meme coin as the base asset. Return to Launchtool, copy your token address, and drop it in this field. I'm inputting Chomer as the symbol and Chinese Homer Simpson as the name. Confirm with Add User Token to view your 1 billion total supply. Following meme coin standards, we'll allocate 900 million to liquidity. Now we'll add the trading pair token. Pick Solana from the options. Being the first liquidity provider means you can go maximum with complete safety. Just make sure to deduct 0.2 Solana because Radium needs that fee. Choose the 2% fee tier. Perfect for volatile meme coins. And now's the moment of truth. Click Initialize Liquidity Pool, approve the transaction, and your creation is officially open for business. And we're live. The coin's already visible on Photon for public trading. Now let's examine the chart and watch those first crucial price fluctuations. Tracking your token is simple. Open Dex Screener and select any coin. After it loads, copy your token ID from Launchtool. Back on Deck Screener, overwrite the current address with yours in the URL and click Enter. There's your real-time chart. Now play the waiting game for organic buyers. Withdraw profits whenever you're ready. Those lightning-fast first trades you see here, that's just bots executing their programmed strategies. Just hang tight and periodically check your Radium portfolio. Stay on the standard view and you'll spot your position pop up below soon enough. These things take a few minutes to process. Alright guys, we got our first big buy going for $320. That's more than 2 Solana. This single-handedly pushed the growth of our coin so high that the market cap got all the way up to $800. Liquidity also got a huge bump to over 700. There are a few people selling over here, but don't panic. This also adds for the volume of our coin, which makes it look even better for investors. In just 4 minutes, a lot has happened. This launch is insane. After a couple minutes, we got a few buys more, one for $14 and another one for $160. There's also a little one of just $2. All of them together add up quite a lot for our coin. Market cap is almost at $2,000 and liquidity is right at the door of 1,000. Let's keep waiting to get even better profits. The volume of this coin really made me go crazy. This just doesn't stop. There's a ton of people buying and selling and getting the volume of our coin off the charts. We got a big buy for almost $200. There was another one of $80. There's just a lot of volume here, and honestly, it's time to take our profit before it's too late. Head over to Radium's Portfolio tab, making sure your wallet is connected. Select Standard View, and your liquidity position will appear below. Hit the minus icon, max the slider to 100%, and note the Solana return amount. Finalize with Remove Liquidity and Confirm. Remember, this is purely educational material about DeFi mechanics. Success notification received. Now witness the results. Open your wallet and check this out. I just made 4 times what I invested. Guys, remember, this method is repeatable with high consistency, around 90% success probability. Now for full disclosure, this video is for educational purposes only. I have no connection to Radium, Photon, Launch Tool, or Deck Screener, but you can find the links below. While this method has profit potential, we don't know for how long it'll keep working. Opportunities like this often have limited windows, so go ahead and use it while you can.